we need to normalize talking about erections.
Yeah.
Men out there, young men, older men, it happens to 50% of men over 50. It happens to a large number of younger men. And if that happens to you, we know the psychological impact that this has. So if you suffer from this, my advice for my guys in the clinic, I'm like, we're gonna help you with your erection no matter what.
Right.
Because you know what? There is enough science now to say the toxic world we live in is causing more and more ED. The same way it's causing more infertility. So if a man suffers from EP, erectile problems, find help. Don't let it define you. Don't let it get you down, because that's what we see a lot.
Right.
Men who have erectile problems internalize the shame and have all kinds of psychological issues.
Yeah, it becomes a sort of like a
Vicious cycle.
Yeah, vicious cycle,
Right.
self-fulfilling prophecy. You know, it destroys the dynamic in relationships. I mean, it's really, and it's a tough conversation to have. Luckily, we've created a safe space and we've mastered the conversation because we've been through it, right?
Don't let erections hold you back, and we need to talk about it. We need to normalize it.
Yeah.